Welcome back to Sortly University, where we help you improve your skills in tracking and managing inventory. In today's video, we'll explore advanced techniques for managing your inventory in Sortly and dive into the powerful features of Sortly's reports. Let's jump right in and talk about the importance of tracking and monitoring your inventory in real time. Whether you're managing tools, equipment, or inventory, Sortly provides you with the visibility and control you need to keep your projects running smoothly. Let's imagine our team is working on a project and we've used up a box of gloves. To make sure we're keeping track of this, we need to highlight it in Sortly. First, we need to find our box of gloves. There are a few ways that we can do this. We can start by visiting our search tab and under the name section, type in the name of our item, or if we've looked for the item before, click its checkbox and click Apply Filters. Once we do this, we will then see our item. Another way that we can find our gloves is if we head back to our Items tab and type in our item name into the search bar. After we do this, we can easily find our item. Or if we know which folder our gloves are in, we can go into that folder and locate it. Once we've found our box of gloves, we can set up an alert to tell us when we're running low, change the quantity, or move the box to another folder. Since we've used up a box of our gloves, we'll update the quantity so our team knows it's no longer available. We'll click the minus sign and enter how many boxes we used to get the new quantity. Additionally, we can explain why we're changing the quantity, as well as add a note for more details to help our team. Once we're done, we can click Update. Now that we've updated our quantities, let's say we want to use some jars from our existing inventory and send it to one of our warehouses. To do this, let's start by finding our jars. Once we found them, we can choose the option to move it to a folder. From here, we can select how many jars we'd like to move, provide a reason for the move, add any notes, and move it to its designated folder. So now when we look into that folder, we can find those jars. Now let's take a look at Sortly's reports. Reports are an essential part for any business as they help you keep tabs on user activity, inventory levels, usage patterns, and more. In our Reports tab, we can create different types of reports. If you want to know how much your inventory is worth for auditing and accounting purposes, use the Inventory Summary Report. If you want to see what happened to your inventory, use the Transactions Report. And if you're under an Ultra or Enterprise plan, you have the ability to see how your team interacts with your inventory through the User Activity Summary. To create a report, start off by choosing the type of report you need. From here, you can customize the report to filter by folders, quantity, minimum level, price, and more. After you've applied your filters, those under Ultra and Enterprise plans have the ability to save reports. You also have the ability to save this layout and see what filters were applied. Now that you have saved this report, you can now easily access it each time you visit your Reports tab. And there you have it. With Sortly's advanced inventory management features, you can take control of your inventory and keep your projects on track. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Sortly University. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to inventory management, Sortly has you covered.